for one has never been so fun. If you don't know what to make, it's never too late. The Bachelor's fridge is kicking out the jams and the jellies.
What's up, Bachelor Nation? We're here at the dollar store. I'm gonna go inside and spend $5 on food items. These food items will then be turned into a delicious treat for us to eat. Mostly me, but you know, you if you want to follow along at home. Anyway, head to your local dollar store and let's begin. We're walking in. Let's do this. Gonna need a cart, a basket. I believe they're called baskets. Alright, this is the candy aisle. Blindfolded, eyes closed. No cheating, Dustin. No cheating. Gonna grab something. No cheating. See, no cheating. First thing I grab. It goes in there. And whatever that is going in the mix. Okay, actual food aisle. No cheating. No cheating. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Here we go. Eyes closed. No cheating. What do we got? Something. Something. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Once again, into the breach. Do a couple of these. Alright. Into the... Okay. Getting an assist here. Eyes closed. This is a half aisle, so hopefully I'll wind up on the food side.
Non-food. Nope. There. Nope. There you go.
Oh, damn. Mango slices! Spin, spin. Ah, whatever this, what's this? Okay. Okay. So to recap, just a quick recap here. Beef and barley soup. M&Ms. Mango. SpaghettiOs. And a ranch dressing. Alright guys, we're back with our food haul. $5 challenge, dollar store challenge, $5 dollar store challenge. Not using anything but what you see here to create a meal to eat. For those of you playing along at home, I was sick last time. Obviously, I'm feeling much better, or I wouldn't be doing this to myself. Anyway, had about 30-40 seconds in between takes to get a game plan going, and these guys are feeling like dessert, so we're going to pair those together. This guy is somehow going to be the main course, along with this guy. Anyway, let's get cooking. I could just mix all this crap together and call it a casserole, right? Easy. Too easy. These are Pop-Tops. Pop them! Let's separate this into its basic ingredients and go from there, alright? Hang on. Strainer, strainer, strainer. I made you out of clay. Okay, strainer. Let's get this juice out of here. Because there's barley in here, and that's what I'm after, is the barley. Carrots to the side. Just give me a second here. Hands. Wash your hands before you do this next part. Meat. Meat goes with the juice. And peas go over here. Carrots just after the barley. Potatoes over here too. That's pretty pathetic how much meat you actually get in one of these things. I would conservatively say there is maybe a dozen tiny chunks of meat in there. But what I'm after right now is just this barley. I'm going to try and get a little more of the juice out of there. You'll see where we're going. Follow me. We're going to dump. I'm hoping the barley can be like a base for like a cracker or a bread or something that I'm going to bake. Mash them up real good. Going for like a paste here. Remember, your hands are still washed from before, and hopefully you didn't do anything gross with them, so you can just kind of feel free to just get it in there good. Like, okay, we're getting a little something, something. Make our little barley chips. We're gonna get like 3 or 4 barley chips. Okay, we're gonna have 2 barley chips. 3 barley chips. 3 barley chips go in the oven at 350 degrees when it's ready. It's not ready yet. Wash up. We're gonna have steak with this meal. Okay. Steak, steak, steak. Steak out. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do, right? Oh, nope. Ooh, I wonder. Nah, this will work. I was gonna use a coffee filter, but let's try this. That's cool. Steak. Just steak. We're getting just the steak out. Steak. Wash your hands. Barley chips into the oven. Good luck, boys. We turn our attention to the elephant in the room. These SpaghettiOs. Tastes like they're great. Think, Pooh, think. What's gonna go on our steak? Okay, we're gonna put it on the side. Okay, we're gonna make a topping for our steak. Not interested in any of the O's. No O's. That seems to be working. Check it out. It's ranch dressing. What are you gonna do? Just a little bit. A dab. Whisk. Whisk. O's are bad. Okay. Alright. Great. Sauce. Our plate is starting to come together. We got our steak. Lots of carrots. Hope you like carrots. Good for your eyes. Bonus steak. Sweet. Potato, I don't care. Alright. Cool. We're getting there. Woo! Barley crisps. Not crisp yet. Alright. While we let our barley crisp up, let's work on dessert. Okay, dessert. No prizes for guessing here. Mango syrup. Boom! M&Ms. All in, buddy. Okay. That does not smell like it should. Into the freezer we go. The Bachelor's freezer. Okay, we did a minute in the microwave for our steak and veg. We're nearing the end here. We got our sauce, right? It's gonna tie this all together. Little on both, what do you say, right? Cool. Barley chips. Barley crisps, right? Got some dessert. It's about presentation, right? Presentation is key. Killer presentation. Yeah. Maybe I'll speed this up and by the end there'll be a nice like ring around the rosy. Ashes, ashes. We all fall down. What do you think? Maybe. Just maybe we got something here. Steak? Thick. It's not bad. I'm gonna try a barley crisp. Barley crisp. I swear. It just went down sideways. But it's good. Tastes like if Salisbury steak was a chip. The beef is not bad with that sauce. It's really not. Alright, veggies. Pretty standard. Let's do a big bite. Big bite. A little bit of everything. A little garnish in there too. Get that crisp. The barley crisps are... I'd make those again. I mean, I wouldn't buy a can of beef stew and pick out the barley just to make them again, but look, it's not bad. Dessert. Looks like green baby shit. Tastes like I don't taste the mango. It's mostly M&Ms. That's what I was looking for. It's like a liquidy M&M. Like if you fed a goat nothing but M&Ms for a week and then drank its milk. Another successful venture on the Bachelor's fridge. I'd say so.